If you cannot get the screws out because they hopelessly spin, just spin and spin and spin with the anchor spinning with it. About the only way you can get that out is, again, to pry with a wooden block as a fulcrum. And if that doesn't work, again, tap on it, penetrating oil, and then your last resort is a hacksaw, which you use a piece of cardboard and you can hacksaw off the head of the and body of the anchor, completely hacksawing it off. You can use a sawzall, anything, but then you can hacksaw it off and get that out. Once you get that out, the remains of the old anchor can be driven into the recess of the toilet, never to be seen again. But let's say now we have gotten the toilet off, and I can manage to grasp under with a plier to hold the anchor from spinning, and perhaps get it out. And then we get that free, but the anchor is still in. The next best thing is, again, put the screw back in on each one. Grab it with the vice grips, and if you can get under it, you can pry it out with the wood. Pry it out like so. Pull it out by rocking motion. You can see where the things are, and then again squeeze the body of the anchor, and that will pretty much get you on your way. After you get the anchors, the old anchors out, clean the porcelain